to my new video. Today I want to teach you how to bypass FRP on Infinix Smart 7 HD without PC. This is Infinix Smart 7 HD. So now I want to teach you how to bypass the FRP. You can see up here that it is locked. Can you see? You can see that it is locked. So what you do, first thing, click on next, select your language and then click on next. Now select your country. I'm in Nigeria. So I'm in Nigeria. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Select Nigeria. So now SIM card, skip this menu. And now in this interface, you are going to connect your hotspots. So now type in your password. So now let me type in my password. Now I'll connect. So now after connecting, obtain IP address. Now it is connected. So now what you will do, you click on this what is it called, you back, don't proceed, okay, don't proceed, you go back, see on this, click on the hotspot. Now you see share, click on share. Now you're going to see this interface here, click on it, nearby. Now it's going to load and then ask you to turn on. Now you turn on. Now you see this menu down here, need help sharing, you click on it. Now it's going to load this interface for you. Now you wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. So can you see this interface? So you look at this three dots up here, you click on it. Now you're going to see share article, click on share article. Now you click on phones, select phones, you click on it. Now you select the main app and then click on it. Now it's going to load like this and then agree and then start. Now the page is going to load. Now you edit your search bar. Edit your search bar and type this keyword, add room. Can you see? Then search for it. Now wait for it to load. Now it's loading. It has loaded. Now you scroll down. Scroll down. Look at this option. This one that has this website. Add room app. Okay. Add room app. Then you click on it. Click on it. Let it load. So it is loading. Can you see? So now you scroll down. Alright. So just take it. What's happened? It took you back. So you're going to go back again. Share article. So still going to repeat the same process. So the this in the keyword is already there, so you click on it. So you are going to scroll down. You can see add room app, you click on it. So now it has loaded and then you scroll down. Now you see all the apps inside the website. So the one you're going to select is settings. Click on settings. And in this setting, this first setting, what you're going to do is you're going to go to accessibility menu and activate it. Go to special function and then accessibility, click on it. Then you see accessibility menu, click on it. Now you see the shortcut, you click on it to activate. Now allow. Now got it. You can see the button has come here. When you click the button, this is the menu that is going to pop up. So you remove it and then you go back. You go back completely. Go back completely. Okay. So now you're going to disconnect your hotspot. Okay, and then you go back to the home page here. Now you start again as if you are starting from beginning. Click next and then you click on next again, skip, and then you reconnect your hotspot. Now your hotspot is connected. Wait for it to take you to the next page. Okay, now it will take you here. When it takes you here, you are going to disconnect your hotspot using the phone you used to hotspot this one. Okay, so now I'm switching off my hotspot from here now. Can you see? Once I'm switching it off now, so you see that it has gone off from here also. So you click on next, and then you click on this box, and then next again. Now it's going to load Google services. Now accept. You can see set screen lock, skip. So as you have skipped it to take you to this menu. So now you are going to switch on your hotspot again so that you access network. Switch it on. Can you see? So now you keep it together. And let's wait a little. Let's wait a little. You can see this is the accessibility menu. Okay. So let's wait a little. It might take a little before it to connect automatically. Okay. You can see it is already on. So I'm waiting for this phone to detect it. Waiting for this one to detect and connect. So let's click on, since it doesn't want to come up, let's click on the accessibility menu, then click on assistance. So now when you click on assistance, let's select a network to connect to network. Okay, so now it's searching so that you can connect to network. Alright, so connected. So now you're back. Okay, so now you click on it again, click on assistance. So now you click the keypad and then you type this word, open settings. You can see open settings. Alright, click on search. Now it's going to search and then to bring the menu for you. That is the settings for you. So now in this page, you're going to discover that in your app management, none of the apps are going to open. You can see, click on any of them, they are not going to open. So the trick we are going to use here is that you go down to this power marathon, you click on it. Now you scroll up, you see battery settings, you click on it. You see battery usage, you click on it. Now you see that there's no app here. There's no app in this interface. So now we are going to let me show you now. You go back. Now you scroll down to Google. See Google here. You click on it. Allow it to load. Now you see sign in to your Google account. You click. Now you allow it for it. You click the option below. Use my Google account instead. Then you click. Now it has taken you here. What you do here, you play here. You keep typing on this interface for 1 minute. Keep typing for 1 minute. The purpose of this is so that the battery management software will detect that this is the phone that is consuming battery in the phone. Okay, so that it can enable us to disable the Google Play service. Alright, so keep typing. Make sure it is 1 minute. make sure it is 1 minute. Just make sure you type delete, type delete, type delete, type delete. Type and delete. Now 1 minute has passed, so now you're going to click back, okay. Now you're going to scroll up to your power marathon, click on it. Now you're going to scroll up and then you go down to battery settings, click on it. Now you're going to see battery usage, click on it. Now you see your Google Play services here, you click. So now you're going to disable it, just disable. Can you see? Now you have disabled it. Now you go back, okay, go back. Now you click skip. Now set your desktop how you want it to look like, and then you click next. Now wait for it to load. Now you see that it is still locked, but it's going to be removed. You can see. Click on it again, click on it. So you wait for it to load. Just keep watching. Can you see it has removed? It has removed. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So you can now go click on it and go and enable your Google Play service now. You can see. So now everything is working fine. It's pulling down. You can see. Can you see? So thanks for watching and see you. And up here you can see, you can also watch the video on how to factory reset this phone. Thanks for watching.